make any sound.
Fuck.
Oh, I'm gonna end. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. If you're a regular, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be shooting a makeup tutorial in my home language. As you can see, everything is different today because we're doing things differently because this is my last video for the semester. So yeah, so guys, this video is going to be very interesting because Xhosa people are known for mixing isiNgesi plus Xhosa. So can you imagine how the video is going to be like? So I hope you guys do enjoy the video. If you do, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, like and subscribe to the channel. I will see you guys on my next one. Bye. Okay guys, so concealer, which is this one. Then again, yeah, but I call Duru as such, ne? It's very cheap, so it's very affordable. So we're just gonna blend it.
Don't know if you got a girl. Don't mean to disrespect, but all of you rule my world. I even
saw 7 is on to say to blend in ilantuka. You consider it to
see you all around my way.
So guys, ngoku nesa sebenza i-powder yethu to set amehlo wethu. Wenzela ngoba ufuna uhlale yonke into ihlale indawo eyi-1 yabo, ingamuvi. So now lonto isetile amehlo akho sebese. Okay, so guys, ngoku sawusebenza ipalette yethu yase-Discam. So rose gold ke lo, anazi gold bangibana kuSixhosa. Right, anyways, sebenza le color ilapha. Ezi colors ke guys azinamagama, so ngizabonisa nje. So ngizawusebenzisa le color as i-transition color yethu. Guys, ubona lento bengiyithetha isiXhosa ne awukwazi usithetha sodwa, funeka usimixe nesilungu. So ke ngoku ke sidibanisa amehlo wethu, sidibanisa la eyeshadow yethu i-crease yethu. Awunayo into ene-crease nesiXhosa.
Been meaning to say hi, but I'm just way too shy. I gotta make you see this is more than just a silly crush.
Ngoku sawusebenzisa le i-palette yase-Essence ne, and apha kule palette sawusebenzisa lo mbala u-brown yabo. Sawublenda in with i-brush le ifanayo, le besiblende ngayo kuqala.
All alone at night, I harbor feelings for you, holding my pillow tight. Sometimes I even touch myself, imagining your pleasure, baby. Next time I see you, I'm gonna walk right to
Uzathatha i-brush yakho e-clean ne, enye i-blending brush yakho e-clean, then uzawusebenzisa lo mbala lo ingathi u-light brownish color. Then wona uzamsebenzisa ngakhona ngapha kwe-crease, kande kwi-crease.
been meaning to say hi, but I'm just way too shy. I gotta
I-brush yakho i-different, le uyisebenzise no enye brush e-clean, and then uzawuthatha lo mbala lo ulapha ukaki, uzawumixa yona, and then yona uzayifaka up just nje apha kwi-lids apha nje just.
all alone at night, I harbor feelings for you, holding my
Corner, and then we'll blend in just apha phezulu.
imagining your pleasure, baby.
I-eyeliner yakho emnyama, and then uzayifaka ke ngoku ezansi kwamashiya wakho emva ezansi kwamasebe akho wamehlo angalapha ezansi. Guys, it's Xhosa. Even Xhosa and you understand the language without then uzayazi baka imascara yethu eyakwa okay guys, ngoku nesizawusebenzisa iprama yethu yakwa Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. The primer guys, I call that bad, you know. I call wow, you know. But you're not sure I'm man so I'm not complaining. Yeah, multiplier every year multiplier. And I'm looking again. Alright, hold on.
I wonder if you even
I'm going to show you appeasance because it's really some nice appeasance. So, I'm finishing it. Now, 7 foundation is too. Well, the foundation is Xhosa. Look dark. So, I'm going to look darker. So, I'm going to make. Light so that's why you gotta feel me and then you mix up consider you apa is an comment you kuba ke uba ukunifaka kakhulu kangakanani kodwa mina angithandi ufaka kakhulu because iyavakala ufake kakhulu kolento sizayenza funeke ndifake kodwa mina ngithanda uyilinda ke guys yebo kwenzele izodibana i-concealer yethu plus noladaka lethu yabo kwenzele izoqina yonke into ibe love yaqonga ngathi uzayiblendisha ndilinde nje kanye nje uyenze love kwenzele nxa kuphuma apha umnyango ube love yabo nabantu bekujolisa the winter guys funeka umuntu abe okay guys, ngoku sawusebenzisa i-translucent gubo wethu because i-powder is right. Then uzawuthatha i-brush yakho and then ke uzayincinda
your girl. Even notice me. You gotta feel me.
And tan because Indonesia skin cannon because the federal ne most of them federal yeah tan forget it proud so oh sizayisusa ke because siyabona ba yonke into idibene ne sithatha ibrush yethu sisuse ke ngoku lomgubo wethu umhlophe nibo so ke guys ngoku sawusebenzisa i-palette yethu yakwa Beauty Treats because ngimthanda kakhulu Beauty Treats because amaxabiso ayafikeleleka ngoku sizawucontourisha. The reason why si-contourisha is because sifuna ubuso bethu ube so ke usasebenzisa le shade ilapha then uzawusebenzisa i-brush yakho eninzi, then uzawucontourisha apha impumlo yakho. Akushushu kunje because yonke into yakho iyanyibilika. I-blush yethu kwi-lone isidlele. Oh yeah, apha akwizidlele zethu. Next siza-aplya i-highlighter yethu yakwa-Wet n Wild. Yabo, into endiyithandayo ke guys ngale highlighter is that ikunika laa glow bunga-expectanga, yabo. Ungena endaweni ibonakale laa glow, yabo. So kuba kuse-winter guys, akubonakali ngathi kuse-winter because kushushu. So ke guys, sawuqhubekeka amehlo wethu ne, because we forgot something on the eyes. So now I am gonna use that brown shade again from La Rose Gold palette. Lambala.
See you all around my way, been meaning to say hi, but I'm just way too shy. I gotta make you see this is more than just a silly crush. And I wonder if you even notice me. You gotta feel me. Next time I see you, I'm gonna walk right up to you and say what's on my mind. I gotta make you see this is then just your silly crying. Wonder if you even notice me. You gotta feel me.
What do you want?
Chips. What's the time? When do we record it?
Huh?
When do we record it?
No. Not.
Okay, eat first too. I'm so hungry.
Hungry now.
We are the bean the whole day. Can you imagine? The bean the whole day.
Your choice, bro. They're nice. They're nice.
Mom.
Chips. I see you enjoying them.
I'm so hungry. Hi, no ways. Is my thing showing?
You know what?
My highlighter.
Oh
Am I
no.
glowing?
Oh yeah.
Am I?
You are.
Really?
Yes, you are.